Some animals don't chase you. They don't roar. They don't even warn you. And by the time you realize what's happening, it's already too late. These are creatures so deadly, they can end a human life in seconds. Deep in the remote deserts of Australia lives the Inland Taipan, often called the most venomous snake on Earth. One single bite contains enough venom to kill multiple adult humans. But what makes it truly terrifying is how the venom works. It doesn't just attack one system, it hits everything at once. Your blood begins to clot uncontrollably. Your muscles start shutting down, and your nervous system collapses. Within minutes, symptoms can begin like blurred vision, difficulty speaking, and weakness spreading through your body. And the worst part is, this snake is incredibly fast. It can strike multiple times in seconds. Delivering repeated doses before you even react. In the wild, encounters are rare, but if it happens, time is everything. Floating almost invisibly in warm ocean waters is a silent killer. The box jellyfish is considered one of the most venomous marine animals on Earth. Its tentacles can stretch several meters, covered in thousands of microscopic stingers. Each one acts like a tiny harpoon, injecting venom the moment it touches skin. The toxin attacks the heart, skin, and nervous system all at once. Victims often experience excruciating pain instantly, followed by rapid collapse. In severe cases, cardiac arrest can happen within minutes, sometimes before the person even reaches shore. It looks like a simple, beautiful shell lying on the ocean floor. But the cone snail is a precision hunter. Hidden inside is a tiny, needle-like harpoon loaded with venom. When triggered, it fires faster than the human eye can see. The venom is a complex cocktail of toxins that target nerves instantly. At first, you might feel just a small sting, almost nothing. But within minutes, symptoms begin: tingling, numbness, and rapidly spreading paralysis. Soon, the muscles responsible for breathing stop working. There is no widely available antidote, and in severe cases, victims may collapse before help can arrive. That's why divers have a chilling nickname for it: the cigarette snail, because after it stings you, you may only have time for one last cigarette. In the rainforests of Central and South America lives one of the most colorful creatures on Earth. The poison dart frog. Its bright colors aren't for beauty, they're a warning. Its skin is coated with powerful toxins. No bite, no attack, just contact is enough. Some species carry toxins strong enough to stop a human heart. In fact, indigenous tribes once used this poison on their hunting darts. What makes it even more fascinating is that these frogs don't produce the toxin themselves. They get it from their diet, mainly ants and insects. In captivity, without that diet, they actually become harmless. But in the wild, one touch could be fatal. Unlike the others, this killer doesn't rely on venom. The saltwater crocodile relies on raw power. And perfect timing, it can remain completely still, blending into the water. Waiting, watching, then in a fraction of a second, it explodes upward with incredible force. Its jaws slam shut with one of the strongest bite forces in the animal kingdom. It drags its prey underwater instantly, and then begins the death roll. A violent spinning motion that disorients, drowns, and tears apart its victim. There is almost no chance to escape once the attack begins. It doesn't chase, it ambushes. Silent, powerful, and terrifyingly precise. The tiger is one of nature's most efficient predators. It doesn't rely on speed alone, it relies on stealth. It stalks its prey quietly, sometimes for minutes, sometimes for hours, waiting for the perfect moment. And when it strikes, it goes straight for the neck. One bite is often enough to sever the spinal cord or crush the throat. The attack is fast, controlled, and usually over within seconds. In rare cases, tigers have even been known to hunt humans, earning a reputation as one of the most feared predators in history. At first glance, it looks harmless, even beautiful. But the blue-ringed octopus is one of the deadliest creatures in the ocean. About the size of a golf ball, it hides among rocks and coral. When threatened, it flashes bright blue rings, a warning most people don't recognize. Until it's too late. Its venom contains a powerful toxin that shuts down nerve signals instantly. Within minutes, the victim loses control of their muscles. They can't move, they can't speak, and eventually, they can't breathe. What makes it even more terrifying is that victims often remain fully conscious the entire time, aware of everything, but completely paralyzed. There is no widely available antidote. Survival depends entirely on immediate medical support, especially artificial breathing. Some of the deadliest creatures on Earth aren't the biggest, they're the quietest. Which one shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments. And subscribe for more hidden truths.